Hey guys, what's up? How are you doing? So today I want to talk about how to get to 90% US audience on your IG because lately I kind of dig in about this subject. I had some problems on my account, one of my models, and I want to speak about that and how you can fix it if you already have like bad audience, for example, third world countries. And if you already just started, right? So you want to get US traffic, which is the high spenders, okay? You're not gonna get rich from third world countries like India or Nigeria or whatever, okay? This is the audience we want to get rid of, unfortunately. Uh, no racist, okay? So how you gonna do it? First, this is a myth, okay? Location doesn't matter. You don't need to be in the US, you don't need to be in Australia, you don't need to be in the United Kingdom, you can be in Thailand, you can be in Vietnam, you can even be in Nigeria and get viral, okay? In the US. What really matter is the content, okay? You should remind yourself all the time this is a content platform. So if your model has outfit, US outfit, so more you American people would continue watch the video. Okay, so the outfit should fit to American, no European. Okay, no European, no and African, no Middle East. Outfit should be American. So every time you copy or create a reel, you should make sure the outfit is fits the American style. If you don't know, go to Pinterest and check American style, and you will understand what is American style. Background. If the background is Chinese restaurant, okay, this happened when one of my reels got viral, but it got viral in Thailand, for examples. Okay, so because there was a Thai letters in the background, so yeah, if the background is American, you're gonna get more people from United States. Okay, so it's very important. Don't put any weird backgrounds with Chinese letters or whatever. Okay, because just gonna fuck the audience. Captions. There is big difference if you upload a video without a captions. Okay, so add a captions. Use CapCut. It's automatic. Okay, specifically if you're doing the talking videos, so it's not taking long time, and it just make people, American people stay and watch your videos. Because if you don't put captions, it's gonna make the third world countries actually watching the videos more. Okay, it's very important. Even there is no talking in the video, only text, only something happen. A photo switch, for example, which is get viral lately. You put the image, then you switch. Find the text to put. Okay, you should put English letters. Now this is kind of fix. You can try when your account is fucked. Okay, so put US flag in the background, for example, or something like that can really help also to get to US. Okay, I'm not saying like in the Trump picture on the background, or US flag on any video, no. But if you feel you're kind of stuck, or let's say you're getting like, I don't know, maybe 40% US, so this can help as well. You can boost to the US, some posts can help you also get US audience, absolutely. Can show the algorithm that this is the audience you are looking for. And last thing here is trial wheels. Okay, so when it's open for you, you can just use that because it's showing also to non-followers. Let's say right now you have 70% followers India, which is the worst case scenario, right? And you kind of want to save the account. So you can use the trial wheels to show to non-followers, and you're gonna try and make it the the most US content you can, right? Okay. And by that, it's going to show to non-followers, which is maybe a chance that will not be Indian, for an example. Okay. And you can get and fix the engagement and the audience in the account. And another option here, which is the best start if you have it, is to use existing traffic. If you already have Telegram channel of one of your models, which most of them are US, you're just going to put the link to the new model there. Or if you have another model which is already have like high percentages of US, just use here to promote your new model. And you can also buy promotion. You can buy from, you can go to FoundView groups, find other people who actually got any good models and ask them, hey, can you promote my model on your story? And I will pay you $100, for an example. A lot of them will agree, okay? And by that, you can get instant US audience. This part is really crucial, okay, specifically when you start, okay, because it's very easy to get stuck with fucked on the audience, and it can just ruin the account. So this is all the ways I know right now to get US audience. Most of the students using these strategies and getting 90% audience on IG, and you can use that as well. And yeah, this is everything for today. Kind of short video, but very, very practical, so you can start to implement these strategies on your accounts. If you have more questions, feel free to comment down below. I also have a school if you want to learn a little bit more and actually take it to the next level. If you have $97 to invest, also the link will be down below. If you want to take it to the best level and actually work personally one-on-one with me, also you can text me on Telegram and share with me where you're standing right now and what your goals, and I would love to help you one-on-one to achieve your goals and be ahead of the game, be the top earners on OFM currently. So that's it for today, guys. I wish you success and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.